we are showing you this 15.5 million new modern house and lot for sale located here in Angeles City, Pampanga. This is near Clark and Friendship. Let's go. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go.
This property has a lot area of 165 square meters, floor area of 233 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open layout, service area, balcony and patio, 2 carport, priced at 15,500,000 pesos.
So we can see right here the facade is very modern. You have your two-car carport here. Okay, and from the street level, step up and you have your pedestrian gate. Let's go in. Upon entry, to my left is your pocket garden. Yan, konting refresh na lang yan, napakaganda niyan. Step up, you have a big wooden door. But before that, I'd like to show you the two-car carport. What I love about this area right here is these breeze blocks na napaka-presko nito, and of course, secured pa rin yung bahay. We have a gate here, access to the side of the house. We will go to that later. Ngayon, pasok tayo. Big wooden door, electronic lock. Upon entry, you now have an open living space for your living, your dining, and your kitchen. So the sofa will go right here. You have outlets there for your TV and all your appliances. Then your dining table will go right here. Air conditioning is included, of course, and ang napakagandang kitchen. Let's check it. Sa kitchen natin, we have a counter right here. Very nice details. Meron siyang mga speckles ng sparkly. And of course, your range hood, sink, your two-door refrigerator, tons of storage all around. And of course, this is your pantry. Very nice. We have a sliding door right here leading to your staff room, which is very spacious and ventilated because meron siyang window. Of course, your daily kitchen, your sink, storage, your washer will go right here for your laundry, and of course, toilet and bath dito sa um, service area. Okay? Of course, another gate leading to your side ng house. Okay? Later on, we will go there. Ang ganda rin because ito, secured ka pero ventilated yung service area. So whenever you're cooking, at least meron siyang airflow na pumapasok. So another look sa ating beautiful kitchen, and of course, your open living and dining area na of course may preview na kayo ng outside na view niya. Okay? So on the ground floor, we have a bedroom. Ito, napakagandang space to. It can be a bedroom, a guest room, or an office. Air conditioning installed. You have storage and cabinets rather here. May mga pull-outs din siya for your items. And maganda rin yung door, oh. So under the stairs, we have our first toilet and bath. You have your sink, your toilet, and your shower. Very nice. Okay? And very important is the bidet. Okay. Itong under ng floor din, pwede pang gawing storage to. You can close na lang natin yan. What else on the ground floor? I think we've covered already. Let's now go up to the second floor. So wooden stairs, metal handrails, Sa mid landing natin, meron tayong fluted panels right here na napakagandang accent. Of course. Yung stairs natin, lighted din siya for your safety at night going up and down your house. Now, upon landing here, check muna natin yung ating napakagandang chandelier. I like the design because bilog-bilog siya, which I really like. Now, let's go to the first bedroom. Okay. The first bedroom, very bright and airy. Malaki ang space niyan. Your bed will go right here. You have your big windows. Of course, cabinets. Uy, nice to, oh. Pull-outs. And more right here. TV will go right here. Console pwede dito. May space pa to move around. Second bedroom, similar to the first bedroom. Tons of space. But the difference is, meron siyang big window dito. Bed will go right there. By the way, ito yung morning sun natin. Napakaganda, bright and airy also. Cabinets are there. Now, ito naman yung ating shared bathroom. Ito gustong-gusto ko to kasi para siyang bathroom ng gym. Very nice, okay? Upon entry, you have your sink right here. Meron tayo ditong medicine cabinet. You have your toilet right here. And behind this very nice wall is your spacious shower area. Yan. Shampoo niche. Of course, towel rack is here. Let's head on to the master bedroom. Wow. Really, really spacious. Master bedroom. Your bed will go right here. Pwede kahit king size, kahit California king. Pwede dito. You have a big window right here. And of course, meron tayong natural light from the windows up there. Nice chandelier, air conditioning, and of course, your walk-in closet. Walk-in closet, yan, napakadami ring storage. May pull-outs din siya, similar to the other rooms. And sliding door right here. Going to your master bathroom. So you have your toilet, your sink, natural light from here, and of course your shower area, enclosed shower area right here. Shampoo niche, towel rack are included. Very nice. And of course, I'd like to show you one of the highlights of this house. If you love entertaining, if you love having your friends around, or you're just your family bonding, we have a space right here. For your barbecue, your gatherings, and all. Very nice space. What do you think? Ganda, no? May outlets tayo for your JBL. And dito na tayo pupunta because meron tayo ditong access going to the side of the house. Diba? Really nice, no? Kasi meron tayong access dito. Pwede nang i-bypass yung loob ng bahay going to the party area. So may access na dito going out of the house. Okay, now let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 165 square meters, floor area of 233 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, open layout, service area, balcony and patio, 2 carport, priced at 15,500,000 pesos.